Hi, I'm fitting a AUX cable to my Mercedes C180. So this is the stereo. It's pretty simple actually. First thing I've done is I've taken off the side bit from the glove compartment. That just basically pulls off. There's just clips here. There's a clip there and at the bottom. So two at the top, here, and similar places at the bottom. The top one I had to put a screwdriver just in between the gaps and just pull it out. Comes up pretty straightforward. The next thing you have to do is just pull this off a little bit. So this also just pulls off quite easily, and then once that comes off, you've got access to this. You can pull that off a little bit. Again, they all just pull off pretty simple. And then this bit here, which is from the side, just underneath the glove box, what you need to do is, there is a little piece here which you can put a flat screwdriver and just pull out. As you can see, there's a little hole there at the bottom, so you can quite easily just push that off, and inside you'll find a Phillips screwdriver that needs to open up. And then you've got underneath this, you've got these little clip things with these yellow clips, as you can see there. That basically, that fits in there. So with the screwdriver again, what you can do is you can just push it out. Just push it out. And then this piece will come off. Underneath here, what you will find is lots of wires. And the wire that you're looking for, and I found this pretty quickly actually, is the one that fits in with this connector block. It's got 4 wires at the back. So what I've done with this is I've cut this off, so that was here, and then there's 4 wires inside here. All you need is 3 of them. So I've used the yellow wire, which is brown wire, and the black wire, and then I've taken an AUX cord, cut it open the other side. I fit the yellow with the yellow, the red with the brown, the white with the black, and that's it really. You can put everything back in. Underneath here, what you will find is this little bit which pushes open, so you can push it out, and then it'll come through this little bit here, and then you've got access to your AUX cable through your system. The way you'd put it on is basically hold on to the CDC button, and then the AUX function comes on, and that's it. It's as simple as that.